many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits? I didn't say normal people. I'm talking about armed, dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors? Go and read your newspapers, you will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer in misery. But see, they come down to the south. They tell you, give us land for Ruga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you want Nigeria. How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill? Nigeria is gone. It can never be. Nigeria is gone. The zoo called Nigeria is gone. It can never be the same again. There are arms everywhere. Arms everywhere. It can never be the same. The same thing the army has, now the people they have it as well. Is it not AK-47? Ordinary bullet? You have it, and we have it. Let us see who is going to give up. We outnumber you by over 100,000 to 1. Even if we sacrifice 10 lives for one of you, we will kill all of you. That is why I know that Biafra land is a death trap for the zoo. They can never get out of there alive. They will die in that place. I'm honored and grateful. It's gone. The zoo got.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. Depends where you'll be getting our videos from. Depends where you will be watching out from. I welcome everybody into today's program. From me from here is good afternoon. I want to thank every one of you who is watching here on this program. I want to thank some of you who watch the program and then subscribe to the channel. Please, I want to beg many of you. Many do watch our videos, then watch all our videos, but then don't subscribe. Please do us a favor. Go to subscribe button, press the subscribe button and on your notification button. Anytime we drop a video, so that you'll be number one to get this video. Let's go. From me, I say welcome everybody. Today's program, we are going to talk about self-defense, which what the government of United States have implemented, have passed the bill yesterday for self-defense. When I saw that, I was like, that is what we need. We have to go back to whom we are, to the origin of Igbos. We have to go back to whom we are. Igbos, we are warrior. We never lose in the battle. We never go to battle and lose. We are warriors. You know? That is why we are here. We have to thank God for giving our Dr. Ngozi Orabueze the knowledge and the privilege and know what to do at the right time. So yesterday I was watching the program going on because of this message, especially is for the youth in the Biafra land, our brothers and sisters, our youth in all Biafra land. Because of I was watching what was going on yesterday when the bill were passed, that in Biafra land, that we have to build our own arms and save ourselves and self-defense, for self-defense, because of what is happening. You people see that Igbo land is bleeding. That is why I played, before I started, I played the voice of our leader, what our leader said. He asked a question: how many Fulani leaders and how many Fulanis are ready to kill their own terrorists and bandits? No one. But you are hoping on your governor. You have seen what happened in Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, all of them are the same. You see what happened there. The governor of Ebonyi State, did you know what he told the citizens, the people of Ebonyi State? He said, please don't retaliate, don't retaliate. Go and sleep in your house, then we come back again and book up and they can humble for there. That is what your governor will be encouraging you. Why I'm saying this? Because of another people. No. Kita ka ị ga na-ama na ife mmetutere nwanne, ife mmetutere onye ọzọ bụ gị nwa ka o metutere. Na onye ọbụla, as far as na this Biafra is concerned, onye ọbụla bụ nwanne gị. As far as onye Igbo gị na-abụ nọ into this suffering, you know, making sure that we are going to liberate ourselves. Nwanne ọ bụ nwanne gị ka ọ bụ. This is what our Prime Minister said before we didn't see him again in our midst. Also, make sure you help yourself and help the gullible people that can't help themselves. Help them and defend them. If you have something, you give to them. Now, this is the word of our Prime Minister before he left us. So, but now, that is why I'm telling our youth, if you hope your governors, you hope in these people you call you elite, look at what happened in Ebonyi State, what happened in Enugu State. Did you see any of these governors talk to condemn this? Because they like to buy condemn iron to be condemned. But did you see any one of them? The answer is no. Because of what you see that happens there, if it happens in another state tomorrow, the same thing that you hear that one said in Ebonyi State, say that, don't retaliate, go and sleep. It's the same thing. So now, the Biafran government have taken the bull by the horn. Now, we have to, all guy men should start preparing themselves. Go, our place we build arms by ourselves. I na anu egbe. Ga ruo egbe. Ambugodu na obu ofu chakapum ka ijigodu. Ina ghọta danino. Mmadụ abịa n'ụlọ gị nwụrụ gị ka ọkụkọ gaa higbuo gị. Nke ahụ bụ the worst nwere ike ime gị. At least ma na try ịnụrụ ike gị. Because ife ndụ na-egbe bụ ya bụrụ na ị mara na yes, I ma na this Fulani herdsmen na egbe ha ji assorted rifles. But if you know what is happening, if you need the bo, iji godu na obu chakapụ nke iji. If you need the bo, ile ambush. If you need the ile ya ambush without your chakapụ, ile yora ambush mgbe na-akụtune ofu oibo una nakọrọ ha ngwa egbe niile ha nji ife ndị a niile ha nji ọghọ nke gị. You got that? Now, like people, let me go to this for our DPM, the Prime Minister, our Deputy Prime Minister, what he said yesterday. Because I heard some people lamenting, oh, no, you are not giving, this will make the zoo to come and slaughter our people, all this and that. That is not the answer. So, do you think that the Biafra government will now open shop? Like what I had one was saying that you know 19 what in the north, you then open shop, everybody go there and take arms. So you'll be waiting for when they open shop so you will go and take arms. Where in Igbo land we are be building na egbe na ala Igbo. Ote na ka mụnwa nọ here. Mgbe mpere mpa anyị chụrụ ọhịa, anyị na-eji aka anyị rụọ ọrụ onwe anyị egbe anyị ji achụ ọhịa. Onye mmamụ ma ife m na-ekwu. Enwere communities a na-akpọ n'ala Igbo gasị a na-akpọgacha ama ụzụ, ebe a na-akpọ ụzụ. Ife a na-akpọ dị abụ ife ọbụla mba igwe iweta ebe ahụ akpọọ ya. Enwere places ndị a na-eji eko, otu a wit nchekele ọkụ chakol. Ya ka a na-akpọ ndị a na-asụ eko. A na-akpọ nzu na-aba anyị maka ana m agba ndị ahụ na-amaghị ife ụwa na-akọ. This is our real tradition. I know a village ife jiwe mara ha bụ nzu, ịkpụ nzu. Ebe ahụ ka anyị mgbe anyị pere mpe anyị na-aga akpụcha nwa chakapụ anyị na-eji aga achụ ọhịa those days. Ọ bụ iweta iron ga-aga ebe ahụ because of na ha nwere eko ife eji eme ife. Ị ga ebe ahụ ime ife. Guy man, my friend, what I'm talking about. Nwanne dan na guy man nọ ịnọdụ ratag somebody is he from nowhere. Bịa nọ hipụ isi ka ọkụkọ. Nwanne mmadụ makwa na Chineke self, your God cannot even, Chineke self agaghị emere gị ebere. Because of ibe a fool. Look at people who believe in Christian. Israel tell you that we will be fighting na anyị ga na-anụ ọgụ a with aka anyị na-abụ. Ka anyị na-anụ ọgụ with aka na-abụ, anyị ewere ikpere anyị na-ekpere Chineke n'eluigwe. But with aka anyị na anyị ga na-anụ ọgụ. Ọ bụ maka our youth. Unu maka m na I'm calling every community, all communities. Self defense abụghị njọ than ịnọ mmadụ abịa egbuo ogo ka ọkụkọ na be gị. Ịnọdụ idiot abịa egbuo ogo, gbuo nwunye gị, gbuo mama gị, gbuo ife niile nọ na be unu, gbuo everything ọ dapụ. Isi na ịbụ guy man. All guy man. Our leader said it. He have one of his brokers. He said that if you know that you're a man, You are a youth, you a man, you a young man, that you don't need to be sleeping in the house anymore. He have said it for a long time, that all men should go in the bush. Onye ọbụla ga n'ime ọhịa ga-ehibe. Chinje n'abalị ga n'ime ọhịa. Ị ga-achọ one angle, lay ambush there. In other, inama, Paddy, make I can go something. I know my way. Abukwa hajo ife o. No be bad thing, no. I know I sabi my way. No be bad thing. Understand? Because of this condition we are now is very, very, very critical. Because of no hope on your governors, all this elite. My brothers, sisters, your name will be sorry. Your community got bota. I got zap everywhere kaja. You want them for governors abia obo onyuna akpanyeru si na onye nke abelite ọ na-abụja ọnụ ebe a. Abia sunu mpa unemekwele netu unu nodu hiwura. Obrifinu ga na-ege. Anashunana, national community unu. Bushie buonne ebe egbu maka egbonne egbonna. Did you see any one of them talking about what happened? Yamburu no bo another thing in now look at what happened in Ebonyi. Police and the army are accomplices. Even the vice governor was accomplished, which is in Kuna of deputy governor. All that woman, all of them were accomplished. Keep back how they heartless. I want obi ojo. How care you know? They only care about money they are getting. Emma, our leader na ekuyenu. Ana agudo na anda. There is no any other alternative. If na be Islamization, whether you like it or not. Nde youth a nne bugeri governor so egbe na akori odo na ewuri emma na emeli soru ndo na ndote na hope ụzọ dị mma. Gang on a different kind of criminal with Asari Dokubo, with criminals and see from Asari Dokubo, he would not be Mushisu Mazi when he filmed. The governors are all of them are all happy because of they are doing the job of their master, which is Fulani, new colonialism. They want to take look at Yoruba people now crying, oh, our land will not be Sharia law, our land will not be that. But when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying all these things, then call him a fool. Anapoye monyara. Onwe ife na akpofofo ya. One room agitator. Ke ife na akpofofo ga wali. Onwe ife na agba this man. This prophet onye amụma. Onwe ife na akpo. Onwe udi afa na akpo. But today what is going on? Okwu onye amụma emene gị obiana na mmezu. Onwe ozi ife ga na afu na social media. Oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it before. Oh, Hamadi kekwu kwere yekwu. But mgbe ọ na-ekwu unu were ife oshishi ntị unu ka mkpọrọ hehe. Were ife fachishi ntị unu. But now o mewego egu megu makoko na anya kwa ngwado unu sigre na mmiri ya na-eru nu na ọ bụ ọma ohu ọma nna ya ukwu. Sabo ndị ntị ike sabo ọ bụ unu kwu okwu a sabo ndị na-arụrụ gọvanọ ọrụ sabo na-arụrụ gọvanọ ọrụ na-arụ all this elite ọrụ na-arụrụ ma Asari Dokubo onye nke ahụ ịma na ọ bụ where belle face I face. Na-egbusisi ndị Igbo. This guy nwere hatred ebe ndị Igbo nọ. People, ifo people ndị Igbo. Ife na-eme Igbo si ndị Igbo n'aka. Ife na-eme Igbo si ndị Igbo n'aka. Igbo, ife na-eme unu si unu n'aka. Until the day ha ga-ahapụ this mmụọ nke ekworo na anya ukwu. Ma ọ bụ homo ka a ga-asa ife niile. Please, as you are getting this video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Share our videos. Drop your comment as you are getting our videos, okay? Please, as you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Yes, keep on. Anyway, anyuku na ekoro. Onwe hife ọzọ. On this opportunity, I thank the DPM, the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Kudos for you. If about our origin, we are going to whom we are before. We are people we produce. After all, 1967 to 1970, did anybody give us? We produce. This is whom we are. Can you go so one? Can you go so high five you? Let that person go out. After all, when we voting yesterday, Mande can see no, they can call rubbish. That is why I sent the first video I sent to you. I tell you, madam, anybody that doesn't agree with your conditions, who doesn't accept the laws and the rules and disrespect you, that person that want to let that person go out from this movement. Let him go somewhere and be ranting or rant or maybe 1 or 2 weeks. He can go yes, you can. You know, in this movement we are. If abuho egwu maka, this is not where they use they use motion. No. This is if abegwu ndo karobi. Just give chance. Our leader said it. That this is not for everybody. This call, this journey, this movement of freedom is for men. Upon for women. Upon in social media now rant, maybe you will followers in our call. You may say that you have seen my face new, but in this movement, I have been in this movement since 2015. I have been in this movement since 2015. But the only thing is, I don't want to talk. I don't want to be showing myself on social, but I can't take it anymore from all these guys. What I'm saying is bullshit. Even now, for that, betrayal on top of betrayal. Betrayal on top of betrayal. Anybody who don't want to stand with the government, who don't want to stand with the law that the government is implementing, the bill that the government is passing, moment, give chance. If I have this is a egundo karobi. If I be okay, motion, all these ones. How many? Let me ask those people. How many? Let me ask you, how many liberation army? May see our prime minister. If you see that the the Dr. Ngozo Rabreze, the DPM, shouldn't do that. How many army? Do you know how many army nga cover the whole 40 states of Biafrans? To be securing everywhere. It's not easy. Israel, as a military attorney, in an hour, the same thing called with Switzerland, if you don't know. In other self-defense about her crime in anywhere in the world, don't want her crime. We have to go back to when I say, oh, Nigeria government invite Kabia. My man, if you are not ready, our leader said it, give chance. If this is not a party, maybe like this movement, this thing that people have, life have been lost, property have been lost, people have dedicated everything in this movement. Friends, let's go and drink coffee or let's go and have dinner. No. This is a serious business because of many things are involved in this movement. In this restoration of Biafra. Many things have been involved. Life have been due to again, onya hewo anything. Yambru go do no check up nke lota nwuru onwe gị. Lota ejido ede. Buru maka ekpota nwuru, ekpota ejido ede. That is what the DPM, the Deputy Prime Minister, is trying to let people know. Than every day now, how many men do you think that be everywhere? Go and defend this. With all these saboteurs we are seeing around into the movement. No, they didn't fall. 1967, 1970. My father was the commander. I'm coming that idiot to because of Amube Himba. Now, over my father be a commander. Or how much you will papa kakarakam. Jishie yike. And you know not a good name, a bullshit up and down. Instead of you volunteer your life and do something good. Biafrans are people who love when you do something, they see what you are doing, that you are doing something great. They will love you. They will give you everything with their heart. Because of how many aro in a ruozuboro. In hata, iruezubotoro. Asena, ifem the man anya barakupo. When we are doing something good, people are seeing it. People are hearing it. The more they are seeing, this is why you see our leader have so much love. This is why you see Mazi and Simon Ekpa, which is our prime minister, have so much love. Especially Mazi Simon Ekpa, the prime minister, talk and do. Can Musa cough like this thing that happened in Ebonyi State? Can anybody cough if he's around or if his leader is out there? Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I say right on. Right on. From me, from here is good afternoon. Please, brothers and sisters, make sure as you are getting our video, go to subscribe button. It doesn't take anything away from you. Go to subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, drop your comment, and join us in this program. Very soon, we'll be coming and be making live programs, okay? As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. In whatever thing you do in this life, I say may God bless you and cherish you in the name of our Chukwu Kikabiama. I say, thank you.